How to compress audio files in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on compress. Select the audio file you want to compress by importing it from your device. Once the file is loaded, this will open the compression interface. You will see basic and custom options. In the basic option, you can use the slider to select the compression percentage and target size. In the custom section, you have options for high, medium, standard, low, auto, and custom file size. If you choose the custom file size, enter the desired size and tap OK. You can select a higher compression for a smaller file size or lower compression to maintain better audio quality depending on your needs. Preview the audio after adjusting the settings to ensure the quality is acceptable. Once satisfied, tap the Save button to apply the compression. The compressed audio file will be saved on your device and can be further edited, shared, or used in your project. Now you know how to compress audio files in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.